Hello and welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name is Cathie and today I have a really fun upcycling project to share with you. I am going to be creating this adorable jean jacket. I'm upcycling a jacket that I already had and I'm using some clothes. I'm giving them a little snip to create that cool floral look. Now to create this project, I'm using Fabric Mod Podge, and as you can see, there are a ton of different Mod Podge varieties, but you wanna make sure that you're using the fabric one for this project. Okay, let's dive right in. This is super beginner friendly, so even if you don't sew, and even if you've never done a fabric project before, this one's for you. I'm starting with a jean jacket and a shirt. Both of them been washed and dried. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut my shirt along the seams. This will make it so that I keep the most amount of flowers possible. So I'm just gonna do some broad cutting here and cut the tops off. And then I'm gonna go in and do some fussy cutting where I'm just going to cut along the edges of the flowers. Now, of course, I'm using an old shirt here, but you could use fabric or any kind of old tablecloth too. Now for my hexagons, I just cut a hexagon shape out of some old cereal box cardboard, and then I'm tracing it on the back side of my fabric with a pencil, and then just cutting out the shape. And you can do this over the plain parts or even over the floral parts. It's really fun. Then go ahead and cut out some other fabrics to match your floral design. These were just some scrap fabrics that I had. Now here's the fun part, you get to lay out your design. You can see with this one, I did the top shoulder, the midsection, and the base. You can really just lay it out whichever way you want. Then we're going to use the Fabric Mod Podge. We're applying that to the back of the piece. And then we'll place the piece right down. It's important that these fabrics are pre-washed and that you're using 100% cotton. I'm making sure that I get the Mod Podge on the edges as well. Then you'll just place it down and smooth with your fingers. Now for this design, I wanted to get all my hexagons down first, and then I did the layer of the flowers over the top. So now I'm going to just add that same Fabric Mod Podge to the back of my cutout flowers, and then I'll place them right down and overlap. So you can overlap and kind of collage with your fabric pieces. Now I'm gonna let this dry for a couple of hours, and then I'll be ready to seal it and top coat it with more Fabric Mod Podge. And for that, we're just gonna brush our Fabric Mod Podge right over the top of the design, sealing that down. And we're gonna let that dry overnight. Thanks so much for crafting with me today. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love the hexagons with the florals, so cute. I cannot wait to wear it. So make sure you check out your closet and see what you can cut up and mash up. I can't wait to see your projects. Make sure you use those hashtags Mod Podge so we can see your creations, and head over to Michael's and grab yourself some Fabric Mod Podge. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you, and until then, have a super creative week. Bye.